Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine at your homes. As you know, you have finished your PT3. All of you have done very well in the exams. Students, apart from these exams, there is onset of full-fledged chilly winters. So, bache, take care of yourself, wear full sleeves, cover yourself properly and take healthy diet. Okay, stay inside your homes, don't come out, as pandemic is also there. Above all, winters are also there, so stay safe in your homes. Don't come out until unless it is very necessary. Regarding exams, that was very good. You all have attempted very well. You have worked very hard during these periods. You are doing very well, but still you can improve yourself. You can do much better. All what is needed is your more concentration. So let us work on our mistakes and move to PT4 syllabus. So first chapter for PT4 is light, shadows and reflections. Very interesting chapter. Few things in this chapter you have done in your previous classes also, but today we will be doing a very little bit. But what is light? Light is the main source of energy on earth, right? So, due to light, we are able to see the things. Suppose what happened that suddenly light is not there in this room, right? Light has gone. So, what will happen? There will be a darkness. Will you be able to see, ma'am? Will you be able to see the board? No. We are able to see, ma'am. We are able to see board because light falls on these objects and we are able to see the light, right? We are able to see these things due to light falling on these objects. So today we will be basically focusing on light. Just a little bit we will be doing. So bache, in earlier times, an early man, what was his primary source of light? Sun. Sun was the main source of light. During the day when there was sunlight, he was very happy. He used to do all the work around here and there as sunlight was there. But once the sun sets, then there was darkness all around him. He was engulfed with darkness. So students, he thought of something. He lit a fire using the pieces of wood. So when he lit the fire, what happened? There was a light as well as heat. After this, the evolution takes place. There was progress, and till now, to this era, we have reached to various varieties of bulbs, tube lights, colored lights. Everything is available in the market. You know better than me, right? So today we will be focusing on light. Bache, from where do you get light? What are the sources of light? First of all, we will be doing sources of light. Students, there are primarily two sources of light: natural and artificial. What are the natural sources of light? First of all, what are the natural sources of light? Those sources of light which exist naturally, which emit the light naturally, which are not created by man, right? For example, sun, stars, moon and firefly. These are the natural sources of light. Now here I will circle the moon. This we will discuss why I have circled the moon. First of all is sun. You all know sun is the main source of light and heat on earth. Due to light, we are able to see so many things. And due to the heat of the sun, warmth is available to us, right? So all the things we are doing in the morning is due to the sunlight, right, students? And you know nowadays the light, the heat of the sun is used in so many ways, right? Next is stars. Stars are also the source of light on earth. But bache, these stars, they are very far away from us. There are millions of stars in the sky, but they are very far away from us. Students, these stars, because they are very far away, their light cannot reach the earth. So we just see the stars twinkling. Their light is of no much effect on us. We are not able to utilize that light. Sun is also a star, but sun is nearer to earth. That is why the light of the sun reaches the earth and we are able to see the things. Then comes firefly. Bache, firefly, you know, Jugnu, firefly, it is also a source of light. Although very small amount of light is emitted by it, but still it is a natural source. We are able to see the things in darkness. When there is extreme darkness and firefly is there, that light is very pleasing to eyes. Right? Then comes the moon. But the moon is also a source of light on earth. It also gives light, but it does not have its own light. It reflects the light of the sun. The light of the sun falls on the moon and it is reflected back by the moon that we are able to see. Right? That is why I have circled it. No doubt, light is given by it, but it is not produced by the moon. It is the light of the sun that it is reflecting. But the light is obtained from moon, so we are saying it is the natural source, right? Now coming to artificial sources or man-made sources. But these are the sources which are created by man, which are made by man. For example, bulbs, candles, diyas, they all are created by man. Tube lights, fire lamps, they all are made by man to get light. When sunlight is not there, when natural sources are not there. So they are known as artificial sources of light. Right? Hope up to this it is very much clear to you. One more small topic I am going to discuss with you. That is, on the basis of emission of light or the ability of objects to emit light, objects can be divided into two categories. Objects, all the objects around us, whether natural or artificial, on the basis of their ability to emit light, objects are of two types, luminous and non-luminous. Right? So coming to luminous objects, those objects which have their own light and they emit it, right? जिनकी अपनी light है और वो emit करते हैं, they are known as luminous objects. So in this category we can say candles, bulbs, right, sun, star, diyas, fire lamps, सारे sources जो light emit करते हैं, they are luminous objects. Now coming to non-luminous objects. Non-luminous objects are those objects which do not emit light, which do not have their own light, which do not emit light. So example is your book, your paper, wood, moon. Hope the non-luminous objects are clear to you. Now, बच्चे, I have written moon also. Earlier मैंने लिखा था कि moon is a thing that gives us light. But इसको मैं यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ non-luminous में, that do not emit light. Why? Because this moon, it does not have its own light. ये जो light दे रहा है, it is the light reflected by the moon. It is a sunlight that falls on moon and it is reflected back. Is that clear? That is why I am saying moon is a non-luminous object. Because it does not have its own light. ये तो reflect कर रहा है जो हम देख रहे हैं. Right? Hope it is clear to you all. Tomorrow we will start with the propagation of light. Hope this topic is clear to you. Whatever will be your queries, we will be discussing in the class. Till then, bye. Stay safe.